The convenience of being able to take the party wherever you go is invaluable, and any of the best Bluetooth speakers can make your backyard barbecue an absolute hit. A Bluetooth speaker can be handy when you are on the go and you are an audiophile, but not everyone wants to spend a lot on speakers. So in today's video, we will show you some of the best budget Bluetooth speakers this year. Check out the description below for more information and its latest pricing. Suitably small and lightweight, the JBL Clip 3 has a metal carabiner at the top that allows you to connect it to your backpack strap, bike handle, or any other hook or loop you can get. At 5.4 inches, this small Bluetooth speaker streams music from your tablet or phones, and even highlights noise-canceling speakerphone technology to allow for clear phone calls. This speaker is water-resistant and ready to withstand being immersed in up to 3.3 feet of water for 30 minutes. Recognition to its IPX7 rating. This portable speaker is created with a built-in carabiner clip, so you can simply attach this speaker to your backpack, belt loop, and more. On a full charge, the JBL Clip 3 provides you up to 10 hours of playback, but if you utilize the included micro USB cable, you can recharge the speaker, so the music never has to stop. Take your songs on the go with the mighty JBL Flip 5. JBL's lightweight Bluetooth speaker goes everywhere. Bad weather? Not to worry. With its waterproof design, you can rock out to the signature sound of rain or shine. Move more. Pair two JBL Party Boost compatible speakers together for stereo sound, or connect multiple JBL Party Boost compatible speakers to create a giant party. Experience more than 12 hours of playtime for your preferred music. Stand it vertical or horizontal and be bold with your selection of 11 vibrant colors. It employs Bluetooth connectivity to stream music from your cooperative devices, such as smartphones and tablets. With 20 watts of audio power and its racetrack-shaped driver, this speaker produces high audio output. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can take this speaker to the beach or pool without the worry of getting it wet. And its material of construction makes it tough and durable. Flip 5 gives you more than 12 hours of battery life so that you can listen to your favorite tunes all day. The Flip 5 is a worthy successor to the Flip 4, and if you're going to be heading out for a weekend trip or just going to the backyard, this is definitely worth the asking price. The first thing you'll see about JBL's Go 2 is just how tiny it is. This little speaker actually fits in your back pocket, and at well under 7 ounces, you'll hardly notice it's there. JBL has engineered to cram a lot into such a small space, as well as being able to connect through either Bluetooth or aux cable. It can operate as a speakerphone as well. The IPX7 rating indicates it'll take a drenching and still come back for more. Whether you're at the seaside or the pool, you can experience your favorite summertime tunes with the Go 2 portable wireless speaker of JBL. This compact speaker stars an IPX7 rating, which indicates that it can withstand being submerged in up to 3.3 feet of water. You can stream audio from any Bluetooth-compatible device from up to 33 feet away. And if you pair the speaker with your smartphone, you can utilize it as a speakerphone for hands-free calling. On a full charge, the JBL Go 2 provides you up to 5 hours of playback. But if you use the added micro USB cable, you can recharge it, so the music never has to stop. Meet the all-new Echo Dot with the clock. The Amazon Echo 4th Gen is just as easy to use as all previous versions of this speaker. All you require to do is take it out of the box, plug it into an outlet, and follow the instructions in the Alexa app that's available on both iOS and Android. It is compatible with many smart home devices, so chances are any device you're looking to set up is compatible. Still, you might want to double-check that your specific device is compatible with Alexa. If you favored not to use your voice, the Echo 4th Gen has Spotify Connect built in, so that you can play music straight from the Spotify app without needing to use Alexa at all. It sounds significantly better than earlier generations of Echo speakers' recognition to its larger drivers. This Echo has 3 drivers, 2 20mm tweeters, and a single 76mm neodymium woofer. The large size of the woofer implies that the lows here pack a punch. It is a great smart speaker for the price, as long as you live in an Alexa world. If your smart home devices are all compatible and you don't mind the speaker's new orb-like design, you'll likely be pleased with what this has to offer. It sounds good, and the LED ring on the bottom makes it very clear when the microphone is listening and when it isn't. Not everyone can spend a fortune on speakers, so for a budget, the Tribit MaxSound Plus is a good option. This may be a brand you haven't heard of, but its line of Bluetooth speakers sound a lot better than they should for the price. It has twin forward-firing drivers and passive radiators in an 8-inch long pill shape. No, it can't start a trance dance party on its own, but its sound clarity really impressed us, and it has a pleasant extra bass button that adds some unexpected thump. With 15 to 20 hours of battery and an IPX7 waterproof rating, it's an excellent companion for some backyard tunes, a trip down the river, or a ton of other informal get-togethers. Enjoy 360-degree sound that is crisp, clear, and balanced with the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2, now with outdoor boost. With this new mode, you can directly boost the loudness and clarity of your audio for outdoor listening. Portable and Bluetooth ready, this speaker features the highest sound level at 86 dBc in standard mode and 87 dBc in outdoor boost mode. Furthermore, the speaker highlights two 40mm active drivers and two passive radiators. It gets 13 hours of battery, has a 100-foot Bluetooth range, floats, and pumps out surprisingly powerful audio while doing it. UE states it's drop-proof up to 5 feet, but you can honestly play some light catch with it on the lawn, and it won't be any worse for wear. Just wash it off when you're done. You can even pair two together for good stereo sound. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.